Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the ultimate roulette strategy that helped me to earn continuous earnings from the roulette. In my previous video about Roulette Tracker Excel Template, I had a lot of emails about does this template really work or does it really apply to the real life and how we can use this template for our benefit. So first of all, thanks for all the emails, and then I decided to record another video about how do I actually earn by using this template. So before I get to this strategy, first I would like to talk about the logics of a roulette game. So it is a game of probabilities, but the odds are against you. So what do I mean by the odds are against you? So let's say that you made a single bet on any number with 1 unit. So it seems that there are 36 numbers, but with the 0, there's 37 numbers. So the actual probability to hit the right number is actually 2.70%. With this probability, you have to earn 37 times more, but what it actually pays 36 times more, and the probability you're getting paid for is 2.78%. And this applies to other bet types as well. In dozen and column bet, instead of earning 3.08, you're earning 3, and in the T options type of bets, instead of getting paid by 2.06, you're getting paid 2 times more. And this is the reason you're getting crushed by statistics in the long run. You can even see the spreads by each single bet type. This is the reason why the house always wins. So, how to turn the table? How to play this game although the odds are against us? So, this was the image which was the closest image to my strategy. All you have to do is bet 10 unit for 2 dozen bet and then exclude 4 numbers instead of 3 here. Exclude 4 numbers for the dozen that you didn't bet. Let's say that you also bet on 0, the first and the third dozen, and excluded these 4 numbers, let's say. So in this case, you have 3 scenarios. Either it is going to hit a 12 group that you bet on, which is this and this. In this case, the probability is nearly 65%, and the profit ratio is nearly 7%. Or the second scenario will apply. It is not going to hit the 12 group that you bet on, but it's going to hit the single deal that you bet. Let's say that we bet on the first and the third dozen, and it hit the number 13. The probability of this, not only the number 13, but also the numbers that we bet on. Let's say we didn't play on 19, 20, 21, 23, and 24. Let's say we didn't bet on these numbers, but yet the probability of getting these numbers is nearly 21.5%. And the profit ratio from that is 28.5%. And the last scenario is it won't hit anything that you bet on. So it is going to either hit 20, 21, 23, and 24. The probability of that is 10.81%, and the loss ratio is 100%. So this is the scenario where all the numbers are equally probable. But in roulette, sometimes there are patterns. What I usually do is, when the same dealer throws the ball into the roulette wheel, before he or she is replaced by another dealer, I track the numbers which are came. This statistics is actually from my last win, so the statistics are accurate, and in here we can see that the total probability of getting the either first dozen or third dozen is nearly 67.5%. And also you will have hot and cold numbers as well. So what I do is I checked the top 2 dozen to bet on those. In this case, it's third and the first dozen, which is I'm going to bet on. And then I'm going to look at the cold numbers. So I'm looking numbers in the second dozen and also which are cold. In this case, it's 17 and 18. So I exclude the numbers 17 and 18. And then I look at the hot numbers. The hot numbers which are in the second dozen, those are the numbers that I usually bet on. For example, in this case, 13, 16 is a number that I should bet on. So I decide 4 numbers I'm going to exclude from the second dozen according to the hot and cold numbers. And also I put a bet on 0. So including the 0 that you bet, I only need 4 numbers to exclude. So what we're doing here is we're changing the deal as the numbers which are not going to come instead of guessing the right number which is going to come out. So if you try to keep the variables as same as possible during a roulette game, you will most likely earn continuous earnings just like I do. I hope this video was informative enough to teach you my method. I will also put the video link of the Roulette Tracker Excel template to the comment section as well. So don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. Also, please comment your feedbacks, opinions, and also experience if you had any in the comment section. Please follow for more, and thanks for watching.